Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain different non-electronics attacks. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, now let's start. So first we see what is non-electronic attacks. Okay, non-electronic attacks are also termed non-technical attacks. Okay, this kind of attacks does not require any technical knowledge about the methods of intruding into another system. Okay, so it is named non-electronic attacks. Okay, so there are four types of non-electronic attacks. Okay, so which are dumpster diving, shoulder surfing, social engineering, and keyboard sniffing. Okay, so this is the four types of non-electronics attacks. Okay, so first type is dumpster diving. Okay, dumpster diving is a key attack method that target upon a substantial failure in computer security. Okay, very information that people crave, protect, and devotedly secure can be attained by almost anyone willing to scrutinize garbage. Okay, it allows you to gather information about target password by looking through the trash. Okay, this low tech attacks type has many implementation. Okay, due to less security than there is today, dumpster diving was actually quite popular in 1980. Okay, the term dumpster diving refers to any useful general information that is found and taken from area where it has been discarded. Okay, so this area include trash cans, okay, and dumpster and the like, from which the information can be obtained for free. Okay, so crucious and malicious attackers find password files, manuals, sensitive information, reports, recipient, credit card numbers, or etc. Okay, so this is the dumpster diving of non electronic. Okay, next type is shoulder surfing. Okay, shoulder surfing is when intruder is standing inconspicuously but near legitimate user watching the password is enter. Okay, attacker simply looks at either the user keyboard or screen while he or she is logging in and watches to see if the user is starting at desk for a password reminder or the actual password. This can be possible only when the attacker is physically close to the target. Okay, so these types of attack can also occur in grocery store. Check out the line when a potential victim is sweeping a debit card and entering the required pin. Many of these personal identification number are only 4 digit long. Okay, so this is the surfing. Okay, and third type is social engineering. In computer security, social engineering is the term that represents a non-technical kind of intrusion. Okay, this relies heavily on human interaction and often involves tricking other people into the breaking normal security procedure. Okay, social engineers runs con games. Okay, con games to break the security procedure. Okay, for example, attacker using social engineering to break into a computer network will try to gain the trust of someone who is authorized to access the network and then try to extract the information that compromise the network security. Okay, so this is the social engineering. Next, last type is keyboard sniffing. Keyboard sniffing allow you to interpret the password as the target enters the keystroke using keyloggers. Okay, so this is the four types of non electronic attacks. Okay, so thank you for watching.